been having a really good drive on Voyagers Highway, which is Route 1 in Minnesota, and making a short stop to see some waterfalls. They've had a lot of rain, so it should be flowing pretty well. Matter of fact, it's sprinkling right now. This one is Illgen Falls, or Illgen. I'd say Illgen. Oh yeah. I'm going to try a different vantage point. Down the river has a great view. I'm on the Superior hiking trail. It looks like it's going to be a wet, muddy mess. We've had a lot of rain. I'm not sure how that closure is going to affect this hike. I just wanted to go to the high falls and then the Cascade Falls. This one's rated as a moderate hike, right at 3 miles round trip. A lot of rocks to climb. Pretty good drop off. Now there's Lake Superior. Oh, here comes the squishy part. Just got to go for it. Sign at the beginning of the trail said to follow the blue blazes. So that's what I'm doing. It's a nice trail. And a fork on the road. 2 Steps Falls that way. There we go. Alright, we're up there. We're going to go to High Falls. Quarter mile. A little over a quarter mile. Superior hiking trail. It's been a pretty well marked trail so far. It's not like there's, as wooded as it is, it's not like there's a whole lot of places I could deviate and go off trail. You'd have to try really hard. Someone put a lot of work into these steps. I'll call them planks, whatever you want to call them. I can hear the waterfalls getting close. I believe reading before I got here that this is the highest waterfall in Minnesota. High Falls. And I'm back on the junction that way back to the where I parked. This way, quarter mile to 2 Steps Falls. And then I think it's 200 steps down. Oh, that's a mess. Going right through the middle. I'm not going to widen the trail. Squish. This steps got washed out as well. Get out there in the middle on the little island. People aren't supposed to stack rocks. Well, I enjoyed the hike. Nice views. Plenty of things to see along the way. I just finished my hike to the waterfalls and heading down to Lake Superior. I'm in Silver Bay, Minnesota, and stopped at an overlook for the lake. These stay on the trail, cliffs. Can't see anything yet. And this says Lakeview Cliffs. And there we go, good view. Check out those signs in a minute. It's like a power plant. And there's wastewater treatment plant. Some beautiful looking offshore islands. Continuing on the trail to the city view. Oh, this is kind of cool. City of Silver Bay.